This is the box. This is the box.
Where was it?
What is it?
A bunch of Mario
race
racers.
cars.
Mario race cars.
A bunch of them. They're all different kinds. Thank you, Sarah.
Look, there's bee ones too.
Huh? Can we change them?
What?
Can we change that?
Maybe.
Maybe. What's that thing? What's this thing? I don't know. What the? Oh my God! You got a dartboard.
A dartboard. I wonder.
Yeah, that was mine.
Huh. I wonder what that dartboard is for.
Mommy, can I open this? I'm opening my present.
Go ahead, Joe.
Oh, it's a marshmallow shooter, and this is the target.
Oh. A marshmallow. Mommy, look at Mario's on the top. Knock, joke. Oh yeah, I love. Okay.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Good.
Knock.
Okay.
Right. Right.
There.
Sack.
What?
This sack. Who?
Here, right.
Is that one first? What the?
No, wait. Knock. Who's there?
Carrie.
Carry who? This one first?
I don't care that I'm out here knocking. You get it? Mommy, open!
Wait, can we open the Secret Santa presents?
Oh wait.
Oh, here's opening. What'd you get?
Hold on. What the heck are those?
Curling! Remember the curling?
Yeah, the color.
Oh!
You stick your hair.
On does this thing really work? Oh, it was not. What? Not one is not. Yeah?
Here, I'll show you a twig. Okay.
Yeah, it's on does this thing